So what's up guys? So today we were able to tackle what is ignition system. First, what is ignition system? Ignition system is a system that ignites the air and fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber. So guys, these are the components of ignition system. First, we have a battery, ignition switch, ignition coil, distributor, together with the condenser, the rotor, and the contact breaker inside the distributor. And next we have this what we call high tension wires, and lastly the spark plug. First, what is the main purpose or main function of the battery? The main function of the battery is that to supply electrical power to the ignition system. Next, the battery goes to the battery now is connected to ammeter, but in this case we don't have an ammeter, so we will connect that on this post, in the AM post, in the what we call ignition switch. Next, in the ignition switch we have ST, AM, IG, and ACC. The IG is the wire that connected on the ignition coil. As you can see, it is connected to ignition coil. Next, ST. This is connected to the starter. The AM or ammeter, it is connected to the battery or ammeter. Next, in the ignition coil, it transforms the low power or low current or low voltage into from 12 volts to 47,000 volts. Next, we have the high tension wire that is connected to the distributor cap and to the high tension wire. The rotor, the purpose of that is to supply current to each cylinder or spark plug in each cylinder. The next one is the distributor. So the function of this is to supply those cylinders or spark plugs the current that it needs. Next, the spark plug. So this is the main causes of ignition, because it is directed or it is attached to the engine cylinder head. So when the air fuel mixture is compressed, the air fuel mixture will be ignited by this spark plug, and that will cause the combustion. So yeah, that is the main function of the ignition system. So guys, that's all for ignition system. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching.